Tesla and Elon Musk have just unveiled a game-changing upgrade for the Optimus robot, one so powerful it's forcing the world to seriously ask, are we getting too close to the line between robots and humans? This is no longer a joke. Optimus has evolved into what Elon Musk calls the biggest product in human history. But the real question is, are we ready for what it brings? Before we begin, please help us reach 4,400 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla Model Q, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. Why is Tesla selling the Optimus Bot to its employees first?
We will offer Optimus robots first to Tesla employees. There are some pluses and minuses to that, because it's probably have a few bugs, but it's going to be very cool.
Elon Musk has stated that Tesla employees will be the first to use the Optimus robot. One day, these robots could function much like R2-D2 and C-3PO in Star Wars. It is easy to understand why Tesla is prioritizing internal deployment. The goal is not only to test the product in real-world working conditions that no laboratory can fully replicate, but also to accelerate its learning curve in a highly dynamic environment. At the Fremont factory, where over 20,000 workers perform thousands of repetitive tasks every shift, Optimus has a valuable opportunity to observe, learn, and adapt. During Investor Day 2023, Elon Musk confirmed, "We have Optimus robots working inside our factories doing tasks fully autonomously." 2 Optimus units have been assigned to handle parts transportation, sorting, and packaging. These are tasks that require coordination between computer vision, navigation, and object manipulation. Deploying the robots across different scenarios within the factory also allows Tesla to gather rich and diverse operational data to better evaluate the robot's performance and limitations. This level of real-world deployment is something that few robotics companies have achieved, including Figure AI and Boston Dynamics, whose robots are still mostly in the demonstration or supervised testing stages. Tesla's long-term ambition goes beyond building a humanoid robot. The company aims to establish a fully automated production line where robots can build other robots. As Musk has stated, our goal is to produce millions of units, and eventually the price will be less than $20,000. If one robot can replace a human worker whose labor costs average $30,000 to $40,000 per year in Tesla's U.S. factories, and if the internal manufacturing cost of each Optimus can be brought down below $20,000, the robot could achieve return on investment in just 6 to 8 months. This presents an almost ideal ROI model for manufacturing, especially if production scales up to hundreds of thousands of units per year as Tesla envisions. Internal testing also helps Tesla fine-tune maintenance costs and component durability, enabling iterative design improvements to maximize long-term reliability and performance. Musk is also smart enough not to rush the product to market. Instead of a mass-market launch, Tesla is allowing employees, many of whom are software engineers, AI specialists, or operations managers, to use Optimus first. This provides Tesla with highly detailed real-world feedback from technically savvy users. These employees will use the robot daily in their work, offering insights into task accuracy, environmental response, and user interaction. It is also a chance to test human-robot collaboration, including gesture and voice commands, as well as unexpected situations such as pathway obstructions, falling objects, or sudden changes in workflow. Humanoid robots come with inherent risks such as falls, collisions, and software bugs. Any of these issues could trigger public backlash or lawsuits. Tesla has faced criticism for accidents involving autopilot and is understandably cautious about repeating those mistakes with Optimus. Keeping usage internal allows the company to closely monitor and manage any incidents, issue software updates, and even recall units if needed. It also lets Tesla trial unfinished or experimental features without exposing them to the public. As Musk noted too, testing in the real world is critical, but it has to be safe and controlled. Limiting trials to internal use is the safest way to contain risks while maintaining the freedom to iterate quickly and discreetly. A major reason internal testing is critical is to refine safety protocols for human-robot collaboration. Optimus will be assigned repetitive or hazardous tasks, such as lifting heavy loads or operating in toxic environments. In a controlled factory setting, Tesla can adjust key safety features like force limits, proximity detection, and emergency stop sensors. These safeguards are essential for public deployment, where safety standards are even stricter. Allowing Tesla employees to work alongside Optimus also carries long-term strategic value. It helps train humans to interact with robots and allows Tesla to improve user interfaces, develop more intuitive command systems, and determine whether the robot fits into the existing workflow. If successful, this will pave the way for broader deployment across Tesla's global production lines and eventually for use by other companies. Tesla also needs to prove that Optimus can operate reliably for thousands of hours, which is the expected lifespan of an industrial machine. Continuous operation in a factory environment, such as 8 to 12 hours a day for 6 to 7 days a week, will reveal limitations in hardware, software, thermal management, and other design vulnerabilities. This feedback is invaluable for improving materials, optimizing component choices, and preparing for full-scale production. Tesla is well known for using controlled scarcity to drive media buzz. Allowing employees to use or even own Optimus creates organic visibility. Robots will appear in offices, factories, or casually show up in social media videos. This mirrors the successful rollout of Cybertruck, where leaked footage of prototypes on public roads generated massive online traction. Once Optimus is seen performing real work inside Tesla, it will help validate the product's feasibility and inspire confidence among potential buyers. Building a community of internal early users also creates a powerful form of authentic marketing through real people using real products in real environments. In addition to the Cybercab, Tesla's Optimus Bot is expected to play a critical role in the production lines of other high-volume vehicles, such as the Model 2, Model Y, and Cybertruck, all of which involve numerous labor-intensive assembly tasks. Tesla plans to produce at least 5 million units of the Model 2 annually starting in 2027, and that number could grow if global demand continues to rise. Under current automation levels, many steps in the assembly process, such as circuit board mounting, cable inspection, windshield installation, and component sorting, still require tens of thousands of manual laborers. Elon Musk has stated that the goal is to deploy hundreds of thousands of Optimus robots across Tesla's global gigafactory network by 2030, beginning with over 1,000 internally built units by the end of 2025. If each Optimus robot can replace 2 to 3 shifts of labor, equivalent to around 6 to 9 human workers per day, then just 10,000 robots could offset millions of labor hours per year. It's estimated that a large-scale rollout of Optimus could save Tesla $2 to $3 billion in annual labor costs, while significantly boosting profit margins, a crucial factor as the company aims to cut vehicle prices to just 50% of today's Model 3. In an ideal scenario, by 2032, Optimus could be responsible for 30 to 40% of all production work across Tesla's factories. Once again, please help us reach 4,400 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. How close is Tesla to mass-producing an army of Optimus bots? Tesla is significantly accelerating the development program of its humanoid robot Optimus, with an internal goal of producing 10,000 units as early as 2025. This is a clear indication that the company is making a major bet on scaling its robotics product line. Although Elon Musk acknowledges this is an ambitious target, even delivering a few thousand units would mark a groundbreaking milestone. Currently, the Fremont factory is being prepared for limited-scale production, with the first batch of around 1,000 robots expected to be built in Q2 2025, followed by a rapid ramp-up to 10,000 units by year-end. This phased approach closely mirrors the strategy Tesla used in the automotive sector, where production bottlenecks are resolved step by step to enable exponential growth. Despite facing fierce competition from China, where companies like Fourier Intelligence, UB Tech, and Xiaomi Robotics are rapidly developing humanoid robots with strong government support, Tesla Optimus still holds the potential to dominate the projected $10 trillion robotics market. This growth potential stems from Tesla's superior vertical integration across system design, actuator manufacturing, battery technology, and AI training, all developed in-house. Optimus even shares multiple core technologies with Tesla's self-driving vehicles such as sensors and processing chips, significantly lowering component costs. Elon Musk has confirmed that Optimus's Gen 3 production line is being designed to reach a capacity of up to 100,000 robots per month by 2026, showing strong confidence in the long-term viability of the humanoid robot market. What's particularly notable is that, unlike many of Tesla's previous projects such as the delayed Tesla Roadster, the Optimus program is progressing at a pace that far exceeds expectations. This is largely due to the fact that Optimus does not require an entirely new supply chain. Instead, it benefits from existing partnerships in semiconductors and battery cells, along with factory systems already restructured for Cybertruck production. Tesla is now actively testing Optimus prototypes at its factories, where the robots are performing basic logistical tasks like picking up parts and monitoring production lines. Tesla's key advantage lies in its massive real-world dataset collected from over 5 million vehicles on the road. Originally used to train the full self-driving system, this dataset is now being adapted for use in Optimus's navigation and environmental recognition algorithms. This symbiotic relationship between EVs and robotics allows Tesla to shorten development timelines and rapidly enhance Optimus's AI capabilities. Tesla plans to deploy Gen 3 Optimus robots across a wide range of industries, including automating repetitive tasks like part sorting, quality inspections, patient assistance in healthcare, warehouse organization and retail, and even domestic applications such as cooking, cleaning, and childcare. These use cases are now entering their final testing phase before mass production and market launch in 2025. Tesla has even outlined plans to use Optimus for constructing habitats on Mars, with a variant built with sealed joints and radiation-hardened electronics developed by SpaceX. While there are no clear signs that Optimus will be available for general consumer purchase in the short term, nearly 1,000 robots have already been deployed at Tesla factories to assist with production and data collection. This number is expected to grow rapidly. Elon Musk believes the robot-to-human ratio on factory floors could reach at least 3-to-1 or even 5-to-1, meaning 3 to 5 robots assisting every human worker. In his boldest forecast, Musk has suggested that Tesla could eventually produce up to 100 million Optimus units per year, with the expectation that robotics could become the company's main revenue stream. While that figure may seem far-fetched, it is economically plausible. If Tesla reaches a production rate of 1 million Optimus units annually and maintains a retail price of around $220,000 per unit, it could generate $20 billion in yearly revenue. More importantly, if Tesla succeeds in lowering the production cost to just $10,000 per robot, thanks to economies of scale and integrated manufacturing, Optimus could be sold to the mass market for as little as $19,999. Why does Elon Musk see Optimus as an immediate need? Elon Musk views the development of Optimus as an immediate necessity for Tesla, primarily to address the challenges in scaling efficient and consistent labor within its manufacturing operations. This is especially critical as Tesla gears up for the mass production of the upcoming Cybercab, aiming for an annual output of 2 million units by 2026. Musk has highlighted that many tasks within Tesla's gigafactories are surprisingly difficult to automate. For instance, during an interview with Marques Brownlee, he noted that simple tasks like connecting two cables, which take a human a second or two, are disproportionately challenging and costly to replicate with conventional automation. These manual tasks are prevalent in Tesla's General Assembly lines, which Musk describes as the most complex and labor-intensive part of the car production process. The urgency for automation is further underscored by labor cost considerations. Tesla's labor costs are estimated at $45 to $50 per hour, compared to $64 to $67 per hour for the Detroit 3 automakers. Despite this advantage, Musk has expressed concerns about labor shortages, particularly for repetitive, low-skill factory work, which he sees as a threat to Tesla's long-term growth. He has pointed to countries like Japan and South Korea, where declining birth rates signal potential future labor shortages. Deploying humanoid robots like Optimus to perform hard-to-automate repetitive tasks such as wire routing, parts transfer, and component loading, could reduce Tesla's dependency on human labor, increase consistency across shifts, and significantly lower the cost per vehicle. With the Cybercab set to become Tesla's most affordable and mass-produced vehicle, production efficiency is not just a goal but a survival metric. We appreciate your contributions and hope you will have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the Techno Creator family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.